everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something really huge, the best European countries for Indian students to study STEM courses. And here's the kicker. Over 70% of Indian students are now choosing Europe as their go-to destination for STEM studies. So if you're thinking about Germany, France, the UK, Ireland or the Netherlands, stick around as we've got a power-packed comparison coming up.
The dream to chase a world to explore. Shiksha study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. If you just wait and just make the call.
Let's start with Germany, where public universities often offer free or low-cost education. Top STEM picks: mechanical engineering, computer science, AI and data science. Best universities include Technical University of Munich, RWTH Aachen and KIT. Tuition fees? Mostly 23.6 lakhs Indian rupees per year. Just cover living costs around 80,100 to 88,400 Indian rupees per month. Next up, France. Not just the land of baguettes, but also a leader in biotechnology, aerospace engineering and robotics. Top universities: Ecole Polytechnique, Sorbonne University and Grenoble INP. Tuition fees? Around 5.68 lakhs to 22.74 lakhs Indian rupees per year at public universities and 20.96 lakhs to 69.62 lakhs Indian rupees per year at HEC Paris. Don't forget scholarships like Sharpak and Eiffel. Moving to the UK, where tradition meets innovation. Top STEM courses include AI, cybersecurity, civil engineering and data science. Think Oxford, Imperial College London and Manchester. But it comes at a cost around 11.2 lakhs to 94.27 lakhs Indian rupees per year. The good news? You get a 2-year stay-back visa after graduation. Don't sleep on Ireland, home to Google, Meta and Intel HQs. Top STEM fields here are software engineering, big data and renewable energy. Best picks: Trinity College Dublin, UCD and University of Galway. Fees ranges from 5.78 lakhs to 52.1 lakhs Indian rupees per year with 2 years stay back after graduation. And finally, the Netherlands, Innovation Central. Popular for AI, civil engineering and agricultural tech. Top universities include Delft University, Eindhoven Tech and Wageningen University. Tuition fees ranges from 13.73 lakhs to 21.1 lakhs Indian rupees per year. And you can get a 1-year stay-back visa after graduation. Here's a quick recap of the 5 countries with their tuition fees, stay-back duration and top courses. So, Europe's got the quality, affordability and career opportunities Indian students need to thrive in STEM. Drop a comment below and tell us which country and course you're aiming for. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, study smart and dream big. Planning to study abroad but overwhelmed with SOPs, LORs and course selection? Don't stress. Shiksha's free counseling has got you covered. From which country to choose to getting your visa approved, we do it all. Message us now at 81301 32440 for your free guidance. करिए अपनी global education की शुरुआत शिक्षा study abroad के साथ. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into something really huge, the best European countries for Indian students to study STEM courses. And here's the kicker.